Hey, you. Hi. What's going on? Hi, Munchkin. Say hi, Auntie Jennifer. Thomas, say hi, Auntie Jennifer. Say hi. Hi. Tell her. Say hi. Thomas, say hi. Bobby. Oops. Bobby Bear. Oh, man. Big sneeze. Oh. Feel better? Clear out some of that nose? Huh? I got my feet. Ugh. Say, Bubby. Thomas. Hi. Oh, poor baby. Okay, I'll see you later. I